Foods you need to eat if you are diabetic. Non-starchy vegetables are those that have a low carbohydrate content, which means they won't cause a big spike in blood sugar levels. Aim to include a variety of different colored vegetables in your diet to get a range of nutrients. Examples of non-starchy vegetables include leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, as well as bell peppers, cucumbers, and tomatoes. Eating whole grains can help regulate blood sugar levels, as well as improve heart health and digestion. Examples of whole grains include brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, oatmeal, and barley. Protein is important for building and repairing tissues in the body, and it can also help regulate blood sugar levels. Lean protein sources include chicken, turkey, fish, tofu, legumes like beans and lentils, and low-fat dairy products like Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. Healthy fats are important for overall health and can help improve insulin sensitivity. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats are considered healthy fats, while saturated and trans fats should be limited. Healthy fat sources include nuts, seeds, avocado, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon and tuna. To help manage blood sugar levels, it's important to choose fruits that are lower in sugar. Examples of low-sugar fruits include berries like strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, as well as citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruit. Apples and pears are also good choices, as they are higher in fiber, which can help slow down the absorption of sugar. As a side note, if you have had a kidney replacement, due to the immune suppressant drugs you must take, grapefruit is a no-go. The meds in grapefruit do not mix. Eating too much of any food, even if it's considered healthy, can cause blood sugar levels to rise. Working with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can help you determine the right portion sizes and balance of foods for your individual needs. If you find this information helpful, please hit the subscribe button and the like button for more relevant information about living with diabetes.